Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Preetham and today we are going to discuss importance of software testing. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's begin. So why software testing is very important? Because software testing is a process to check whether the software is defect free or not. It is the process of verification and validation of software services or application by checking whether it is meeting the user or not. Software testing plays a very vital role in the process of developing a high quality software. Testing is necessary because we all make mistakes. Some of those mistakes are unimportant, but some of them are expensive and dangerous. Therefore, there is a need to check everything that we produce is working or not. Hence, this video presents an introduction to software testing and its importance with strong example. At last, this video includes a comprehensive study of present scenario of software testing with regard to testing in early days. Moreover, this video focuses on why to test, not how to test, so that the need of carrying out software testing can be crystal clear in a more effective manner. So importance of software testing in the process of software development. In simple words, testing is finding out how well something works. Relating it to the software testing is the process to check the correctness, completeness and accuracy of developed computer software. In technical terms, we can say testing is the combination of verification and validation. This can be well explained with the help of simplest example. Suppose you have to buy a pen from the stationery shop. You will ask the shopkeeper about the same. He will give you a new pen. Now there can be two possibilities. That particular pen can be working and at the same time it can be defective as well. So in order to check it, you will ask the shopkeeper for a rough page. You will write something and you will test it whether it is defective or not. This is nothing but a straightforward example of testing. While developing a software is not a cakewalk. Everyone wants to concept to customer service. Customer also expect a error free software from the development team that is made according to their requirement. Hence, from here testing plays a very crucial role in the development of a high quality software. Therefore, by summing up all these ideas, software testing may be defined as the process of exercising or evaluating a system by manually or automatically, means to verify that it is satisfying specified requirement or not. To identify differences between actual and expected result, a successful test is one that does detect a fault. Testability is one of the important part. So this video is all about understanding the need of software testing so that an error free, reliable, flexible and efficient software we can deliver to the customer. So there are plenty of benefits of software testing, so I'm going to explain all the benefits in detail. Okay, so first one is been customer satisfaction, then second one is been cost effective, then third one is been quality product, then fourth one is been low failure, then fifth one is been bug free applications, then sixth one is been security, then seventh one is been easy recovery, 8 speed up the development process, then ninth early defect detection, then 10th reliable product, the last one. So I am going to explain all the 10 importance of software testing. So customer satisfaction. The prime goal of any service based organization is to serve the best feature and experience to their customers. Customer satisfaction is the only goal for the success and popularity of an applications. So software testing helps in building the trust and satisfaction of the customer by assuring a defect free applications. UI testing enhances customer satisfaction. Software testing tries to uncover all possible defects and test an application as per customer requirements. For example, e-commerce is dependent on the customer, and a satisfied customer will improve its market value and earning. This is all about customer satisfaction. Then second one is been cost effectiveness. If an application works without any fault and with low maintenance, will save a big amount for the owner. Software testing helps in early defects detection and fixing them to make a more successful and good return application. Every application demands maintenance, and the application owner spends a good amount to maintain the working and functionality of the application. By testing an application, the maintenance area reduces to many folds and hence saves money. Software testing helps in saving the money of the developing organization by detecting defects in the early stages of the software, which becomes easy and economical for the developer to redesign the module instead of detecting bugs and the complete development of the software. Then third point is been quality product. The main focus of a software testing is to deliver a quality product to its client, which result in a satisfied client. The quality of a product can only be maintained when it is bug free and meet all the user requirement. To meet the product qualities, if an application works with other related applications, then it must undergo compatibility testings. During software testing, an application undergoes several testing techniques to make a and quality end product, and the testing team tries their best by writing test cases and test scenarios to validate defect free application. This is all about quality product which we need to deliver to the client. Then fourth one is been low failure of an application impact its working and brand value. Software testing helps in knowing the cases where a particular application is most likely to fail. For example, an e-commerce application is more likely to fail when there is a heavy traffic and load. This type of application goes through stress testing to check the highest possible limit of the application to handle the load. Software testing makes an application more robust and reliable. So if there are sale or anything going on e-commerce website, then there are high chances of the application may fail. So they used to go with thoroughly stressful testing. Then fifth one is been bug free application. The main task of software testing is to identify bugs and inform them the concerned developing team to fix. When a bug is fixed, tester recheck the bug to identify its status. A bug free application means an application with no glitches, faults or defects and works effectively and smoothly. Then only demand of an application is that the it's functionally is going very well. 100% bug free application is practically not possible, but the testing team tries to identify as many as possible bugs in the application by creating test scenarios. Software testing follows the SDLC process, software testing lifecycle process, to detect a bug. Then sixth one has been security. The main concern of the digital world is security. A secure system always remain on the priority list of customers. Owner pay multiple dollars to make their system secure from hackers and other thefts. Security testing techniques is used to identify the security level of the application, and tester try to find loopholes to break the security of an applications. So in the case of bank application, security is the foremost requirement as it deals with customers' money, and bank application always remain on top of the thefts. The testing team uses security testing to identify defect, and the development team tries to cover the application with multiple security layers. The software testing is a must to maintain the security of an application. Then seventh one is been easy recovery. Recovery means when an application fails, it restarts functioning as usual by consuming less time. An application is successful when it recovers very quickly and perform its normal functions. So software testing helps in identifying the recovery rate of an application with the total time it is using to recover. During testing, tester tests an application to identify case scenarios where any application is mostly likely to fail and how much time is taking to recover. Tester inform the development team and developers make changes in the internal coding to make the fast recovery of an application. So then eighth one is been speed up the development process. In an application can be delivered early only when its development is fast. Software testing helps the development team to speed up their development process by detecting defects and informing them. The the identified the identified defect can be easily fixed in the early stages of system development, and this does not affect the working with other functionalities. Software testing works parallels with the development team to make know where is a defect. So hence the development process gain lots of speed. So then ninth one has been early defect detection. Software testing is all about identifying the defects, errors, or bugs in the systems. If the software testing team, that is quality assurance team, works parallel from the beginning of the software development, then it is very easy for early defect identification, and also helps the development team to fix them. If testing starts after the complete development of a software, then the developer needs to redesign all interrelated modules to fix the defect of the particular modules. Then last one is been reliable product. A product is reliable only when it performs as per user requirements and can build customer trust. Software testing increases the reliability of an application by testing the application with security testing, performance testing, and other testing techniques. Software testing validates that an application behaves as per customer requirements and tries to find as many possible defects by either applying complete testing or exhaustive testing. So this is all about the importance of software testing. Thank you so much friends to watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.